When considering the purchase of an ironworker, the choice is clear. Edwards. Offering the broadest range of ironworkers in the world, Edwards has the answer to significantly increase your productivity. Handcrafted in America by skilled craftsmen, the Edwards Ironworker brings total flexibility to your shop. The 40-ton C Ironworker is engineered specifically for home, farm fabrication, and medium-sized job shops. Powered by a 115-volt single-phase power source, the Edwards 40-ton C Ironworker is convenient for all shop locations. Equipped with 4 workstations, the 40-ton C Ironworker comes standard with a punch, flat bar shear, angle shear, and an open workstation that can be custom fit with any of 11 interchangeable attachments, including the Coper Notcher, and offers 16 optional accessories, including gauging table kits, urethane strippers, and back gauges to speed up your fabricating. In standard configuration, the 40-ton is capable of punching holes in mild steel from 1/8 inch to 1 1/16 inch, and accepts round, square, oblong, hex, metric, and custom punch shapes for all your punching needs. The pedestal die table design allows the operator to punch angle iron leg down. Made with durable, heavy-duty USA steel, the 4-sided flat bar shear blades and angle shear blades are precision machined, perfect for shearing up to 8-inch wide flat bar steel. Designed to shear both thick and thin angle iron, the angle shear blades include 2 cutting radiuses. Every single Edwards Ironworker has ANSI-compliant guarding and has ETL-approved control boxes. So, what are you waiting for? Inquire today to learn more about any of our industry-leading Edwards Ironworkers.